Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Ayan. Today I'm going to be playing with slime. It's right here. Slime is right here.
Okay, so guys,
Here
I'm
it's
turning
funny.
around. You're not going to turn anymore.
I'm turning around.
Dark.
You're going to be seeing me.
Like that. Now you see me. Hi.
I'm keeping mine like this.
And here's my slime.
Here's my slime.
It's
Well,
not
her
really hers.
slime.
It's mine.
So I'm going to be adding lotion.
It's a live stream. Come watch it, dude. It's a live stream.
Okay, I'm stretching it out. Making a bubble with it is hard. It's going to get all gooey first because it's slime.
Hey guys, so you like to see me. How do you like to see stuff that's not me? Let me do slime.
I'm doing a slime Instagram swirl in a sec, okay?
On you guys, I did a slime Instagram so
I don't think they like that. Make sure to subscribe to her channel. Her name's Chad Borner.
yeah.
She's very funny on her videos.
Look at myself.
Ready?
Just make myself a nice
Remember, she plays Minecraft.
Is it locked? Yeah.
So this lotion is really not working to how it's stretchy because now it just goes like this. It's hard to stretch. Sorry. Now, oh no, watch this.
We are on our way to a special surprise. The girl, there's Presley, Prim Sister Presley, Prim Sister Emma. Say hello.
Thank you,
Oh, thank you for the rose. That was, I don't know, I can't keep up with this thing. Alright guys, so Presley is so much better with functioning this thing, so I'm going to hand over to her. And we should be there at the surprise in just a little bit.
My person knew.
Oh. And by the way, I am Prim Sister Presley's mom. And Prim Sister Emma.
Thank you.
Oh, look at this. That's so funny. I love it.
Thank you for the hat.
Thank you. Alright, I'm handing you guys over. We are on a bridge. Alright, here she is. Oh, I love it. The Egyptian thingy. Alright, who just sent that? Awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, here she is. Oh, thank you, dance girl. Here you go.
Ma, you can just put the charger right there. Put it on. My eyes. Thank you for the journey, Clown Dance School. And guys, I'm gonna do the same thing. So you guys are. Thank you for the journey.
Isn't that cool?
I'm putting it on the charger. Thank you for the Jawa hat. Emma likes to have it.
Also, leave a comment down below what kind of slime you like. I like neon. Subscribe to this video too. Ready? You guys? That was a rainbow.
Guys, you're in my bubble. Look, they're literally in my bubble.
I know they were in my bubble too. Sorry, you guys. This is glitching. Rainbow. Okay. You guys are actually gonna try this too. Now, just wait till it goes down. Good. Oh my god, I got a nice one there. Boom! Look at this! It's not how you treat them.
No.
You
guys can watch something. I know my friend watched me.
Okay, so I'm back, and I'm gonna. Is it okay if comment down below if next video you want me to put you back in the bubble again? I'm gonna put you again, and because it's actually pretty cool. Is it pretty cool in there, you guys? Comment down below if it is or not. Let's get started to the bubble. Ooh! Now I'm gonna keep it like this. Hopefully, there's no holes that's gonna be in there.
So guys, we're gonna stop the video here.
I'm not stopping the video yet because I'm gonna see how long
I heard your mouth. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Love you guys, bye. Please subscribe. If you don't,
then you're
doing it wrong.
also make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you put those post notifications on. No.
1, 2, 3. Fine, then do something you would say. So guys, I'm gonna come back to you.
Dab on the invaders. And then
That's
I'm in the bubble right now.
doing it wrong. See you tomorrow, but actually in a couple hours. So bye.
Yes.
Recording complete. Would you like to check your recorded video? Watch.
Slime keeps getting right here. Did you guys hear that? Oh, I can put you guys back up. I'm just trying to get this slime away.
No.
What?
Video. I want my video. Where's my video? Okay. Your settings. YouTube.
I'm playing with the little piece because I'm going to see if I can make a bubble with the little piece.
I know how to do your video. I mean, how to do that. How to do your video.
I do too. How do you post a video? You go to... Okay, now I can't remember. Keep forgetting. How do you? Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to have to end the video here. So...